Oh my god, you're so scrunkly. Little scrimblow?
Yo, bro, you mind hanging up my jacket for me?
Nah, bro, hang up your own jacket.
Yeah, hang up your own jacket.
I'm like Bella Swan, but instead of wanting to be a vampire, I just want to be a dirty girl.
Y'all, this one of the best corner store snacks. Some hot Cheetos with some cheese and a disco. Girl, stop calling my name! And a disco.
Bro, why the fuck are you talking to my girlfriend? Was that good? Was that kind of hot? Okay.
Hey, can I get some iced coffee?
Yeah, sure. Here you go.
Put a finger down if you can squirt. Put a finger down if you can queef in my face.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Thought I'd make you my guest and light up the runway with something from my personal collection. As far as I know, this is the only one in it.
I know what the screenshots say, okay? I'm aware of that. I'm looking right at them, okay?
My mom is literally a lady out of a math problem. Why the fuck do we need so many soaps? Why do we need so many soaps?
She don't date black boys, cause she date girls. Scissor, scissor.
That's why your shoes raggedy. That's why your mama did.
Oh my god, girl queen. You look so vagina slay tonight. Pop off, pussy hat.
Dap pen, backwood, spliff joint, edibles.
What?
Good morning, handsome Bo Bantam. Oh. Good morning. Oh.
Do I fucking know your loser ass? Go suck your father's dick, boy. The fuck on, and now you're blocked.
Good night, bestie. But I'm about to tell you something that you just might not like.
So what, you think you're better than me?
Then I'm gonna put a shotgun in my mouth and blow the brains out of the back of my head.
Cool. The flavors are melting on my tongue.
He took his shirt off and I went, like I actually had, like my body had a reaction with those
I don't need to know about that. You keep that to yourself.
Hold on, I got a Ku Klux Klan member on my page. Let me block this Ku Klux Klan member.
Bark at your dog.
Roof! Every day is a new opportunity, if you want to, but you don't have to.
How many times do we have to teach you this lesson, old man?
I love the young people.
Here is your pizza.
If I were rich, I would take every grad school entrance exam with zero preparation, just to see how I would do as a baseline for when other people tell me their scores.
Oh!
Richest person on this planet is the one who believes in Jesus.
I really am broke in every sense. Oh my god.
No, little German boy, don't go to the weed cave. Oh mein Gott, this is ein cave full of blunt smoking.
What the fuck, y'all? God damn! God damn! God damn!
Here's my tiny little breast.
That is such a pitiful little breast.
You already know what it is. We got the lemonade coming out the water fountain. Shit straight gas. It actually might be gas. I don't even know. But fuck is you talking about?
Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Say the first thing that comes to your head. Head.
Look at me, I was waiting. I'm like, hey, he goes, I'm sorry.
Thought I'd make you my guest and light up the runway with something from my personal collection. As far as I know, this is the only one in existence.
Which part of the flag prompted you to say that? Was it the weed, the 666, or the gay part? Or all three?
My boyfriend didn't like my Halloween costume.
Man, I'm over here trying to put some air in my tire. It used to be $1. Now it's $2. Talk about inflation, am I right?
Oh, thank you. Some more tea. I like tea so much, I'm probably gonna turn into a tea bag.
Sleigh boots, Jaspers, cunty, cunty, cunty. Ketamine.
It made me feel good to put down an African American person because it helps them stay in their place. All the African American kids that I was around were all ugly looking and losers. They're all gorillas.
I have a question. Is that what the large ranch is like at Wingstop? Because every time I try to order it, the cashier is like, it's like a gallon of ranch. If that's how much it is, I need that.
I am leaving a very good parking spot at a busy time of night where a lot of people are looking for good parking spots. So someone is going to be a lucky Linda. You're welcome.
Hey to W, Francine, can I ask you a question? Sure, anything. Why don't you go back to your own house and stop bothering us?
So there's one thing you probably didn't know about me. A lot of people don't know this. And it's that I own a bakery. And I wanted to show you one of my best-selling products.
It's this cake, bitch.
Answer the question correctly or we're not going to donate this bag of rice. People are going to starve unless you know the answer to the capital of Portugal. You don't? Oh well, I guess we'll keep this one.
Okay, it was unnecessary to make that video, but it was just for fun. I was just having fun, that's it. Like, it was just for fun. I want to raise a joke. If black people were a part of a jacket, which part would it be? Good.
Where do bad rainbows go? Prism. It's okay. It's a light sentence.
Hi, welcome to me using my thighs to make the top of a milk carton pop off. Day 1. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.
Oh yeah? Yeah? Well, I'm a minor. And I'm neurodivergent. And I'm bisexual. And I'm non-binary. Why are you yelling on your automatic bisexual binary minor's face?
So I just cut a bunch of onions for French onion soup, and my cat came down, and she's also crying because of the onions. And so we're just two crying bitches with this onion air. Go upstairs.
I just want to let you know that you want to touch my private part. And I might let you. I will let you if you ask. If you be like, let me touch your private part, I say yes.
Personally, I could never date a man taller than me. For reference, I'm 5'8", because when he pisses me off, I need to be able to pick him up, like this. You've disrespected me for the last time.
I love when I'm playing keyboard warrior with a bitch on here, and in between the argument or something, she start using my sounds and my scenes. Yeah, bitch. Argument over. I won. I'm in your mind. You'll never get me out. I'm a mastermind. I'm in your mind.
When are you girls finally gonna understand that I am never trying to be any of you bitches, alright? Everyone's always trying to be me. So don't get it confused. Also, I'm literally neither. I'm from the future, actually. And I've traveled back in time because your great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-great-grandmother wanted me to tell you that.
If you want to know what kinds of people go to NYU, a really good summary is that when I went to NYU, I told this girl in my class once that I had never had a nosebleed. And she said, "Oh, that sucks." And I was like, "Why does that suck?" And she said, "Because when you have a nosebleed, you can take such aesthetic photos."
Hey, but where the hell you get that honey bun from? The hell you talking about? I just find it. Oh, you ain't just find that. Where the hell you get it from? Man, damn, I just find it, bro. God damn, I just find the honey bun, okay? I'm finna eat it. You must forgot about honey bun bandit. That man ain't got nothing to do with this honey bun. I just found it on the ground. Don't have something to do with you when he find that. Hey, what? Hey, gang. That goddamn honey bun in your hand look mighty familiar, gang. How the hell it look familiar? They all look the same. Where the hell you get it from? I found it on the ground by the West Block. You wanna know why it was there? Hell, why? Cause the last person who picked it up got his ass drilled, gang. Where the hell you get the drill from? You must goddamn be doing construction or something. I constructed all right. In that ass. Constructed in that ass? What the nigga? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. That's cause you had a honey bun back. I don't even want that. Oh, hell no. You already done filled your application out. What goddamn application? You bought a honey bun construction. You the top driller. Oh, I can't be working. I had them pull something in my back. Oh, don't worry. I'ma fix it. No, the hell you ain't. What the?
Okay, so what have we learned today? If they ask you to work overtime, what do you say? What do you say?
Is there a bonus?
Or an incentive? Incentive. Okay. And if strange men text you and ask to be your sugar daddy, what do you say?
Prove it with the winky face and your Venmo.
And then what do you do after?
Block him.
Boom.
Just wait for it.
Go slow. Be careful. Oh my gosh. My heart. I remember when you couldn't walk. Good. Oh!
Every night at 9 p.m. my dog chooses something to guard. Tonight it is an almond.
What is the strangest question that you've ever been asked in a job interview?
Why are you interested in acceptance? If you mean acceptance from people or acceptance from this job position, I'm not really sure. But why are you interested in acceptance? Being accepted's part of life. You're off to a promising start. To round out your reply, you can talk about why you chose acceptance as a major.
What drew you to it, and how does it connect to your answer? I'm certain you'll come up with a great response.